When you're trying to create more abundance in your life, your conscious mind may want success and prosperity, while deeper subconscious patterns quietly shape what you allow yourself to receive. One of the most common blocks is the belief that abundance has to be earned through struggle, that nothing valuable comes easily. You've probably heard phrases like, "If you want something, you have to pay the price. No pain, no gain. Success requires sacrifice." We hear these ideas so often that they start to feel like absolute truths. And while taking action is part of life, that doesn't mean life is meant to be constant struggle, exhaustion, or sacrifice. Life also knows how to bring opportunities, blessings, and abundance with ease. If you believe you only deserve good things after struggle and hardship, you may unintentionally slow down or resist what's already trying to reach you. Today, you're giving yourself permission to release that belief. You're allowing yourself to recognize that receiving with ease is natural. The universe does not respond to suffering. It responds to the energy of expectation, trust, and inner certainty. Today, you're clearing away the old and creating space for abundance to flow naturally into your life. Take a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Then slowly let it go. Again. And one more time. Now let your breathing return to its own natural rhythm. Bring your attention inward. Notice your breath moving in and out. Feel your body beginning to soften. Bring awareness to your feet, your legs, your abdomen and chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your face. Allow every part of you to release tension. Feel your whole body becoming open, calm, and relaxed. Breathe deeply. Stay here. The belief that life has to be hard often begins early. It comes from what we heard growing up, from what we watched the people around us experience. Maybe you saw parents working tirelessly just to get by. Maybe struggle looked normal. maybe sacrifice looked like love. And over time, those experiences became stories you carried within you. The subconscious learns through repetition. It learns through emotion. And what was once learned can always be rewritten. Now imagine yourself walking along a beautiful path filled with warm, golden light. Ahead of you is a clear, flowing river. The air feels fresh. You smell grass and earth after rain. You hear the soothing sound of water moving over smooth stones. As you look closer, you notice branches and rocks blocking the river's path. The water still moves, but not freely. Then familiar thoughts arise. You have to work hard for everything. Nothing comes easy. And in that moment, you realize something. Abundance naturally wants to reach you. Just as a river naturally flows toward the ocean, you are the ocean. Vast, open, ready to receive. But limiting beliefs create barriers. Invisible dams that interrupt the flow. Abundance was never asking for struggle. It was only asking for space. Now gently remove the obstacles one by one. As each one disappears, old beliefs dissolve with them. The river begins flowing faster, stronger, freer. Repeat silently. The universe does not reward my suffering. Receiving with ease is beautiful. I deserve abundance that feels natural, peaceful, and effortless. Now see the river finally reaching the ocean, reaching you. Feel yourself becoming one with that flow. Abundance arrives steadily and naturally. From this moment forward, your life begins reflecting that energy. New opportunities appear. Prosperity expands. Health and well-being grow. And you welcome it all with gratitude. See joy. See celebration. See yourself receiving with an open heart. Take a deep breath. Begin returning to the present moment. Gently move your hands and feet. Take one more slow breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Move through your day knowing that abundance is part of your natural state. What comes with ease is often what's truly aligned with you. May your day begin and end in gratitude.